Puso para sa bayan. Sa kabila ng pagkatalo sa quarterfinals ng Philippine Women's Open, ipinamalas pa rin ni Filipina tennis star Alex Yala ang kanyang husay sa harap ng Filipino crowd. Sa kabila ng malakas na sigawan at palakpakan ng mga taga-suporta, natapos ang kampanya ni Alex Yala sa quarterfinals ng Philippine Women's Open matapos matalo sa Colombian tennis player na si Camila Osorio with 6-4, 6-4, Miyerkules ng gabi sa Rizal Memorial Tennis Center. Tinapos ni Osorio ang matapang na paglalakbay ni Yala sa kauna-unahang WTA tournament na dinaos sa Maynila matapos magpakita ng mas matibay na laro sa mga mahalagang punto at makuha ang panalo sa loob ng 1 oras at 28 minuto.
It was really good actually, a really good match for me. I think I played very well and smart. We both make it really physical, but I think it was a great battle and I'm really proud with my performance tonight.
Bilang second seed, nakipagsabayan ng 20-year-old na si Yala sa mas mababang rank na si Osorio, na kasalukuyang world number 84 sa halos buong laban. Gayunman, nahirapan ang Filipina na ipanatili ang kanyang service games, habang ilang misjudgment sa kritikal na mga punto ang sinamantala ng Colombian upang maipanalo ang kanilang kauna-unahang pagharap. Sa harap ng isang sold-out na crowd na walang tigil sa sigaw na "Let's go Alex!" Nakuha ni Osorio ang kalamangan at 5-4 sa ikalawang set matapos basagin ang service ni Yala sa ikalimang beses. Tinapos niya ang laban sa pamamagitan ng isang cross-court passing shot na hindi naibalik ng Filipina. At para kay Osorio, malaking tulong sa kanya ang pagiging kalmado sa gitna ng laban nila ni Yala.
I think I was very calm and that gave me more clarity on what to, like how to how to say it, how to perform at the end of the day, because I had my game plan, and I was very calm to think about it, and like even though in those situations when it was like 40-15 for me and then she will come back, I was just thinking, okay, what I have to do, focus on my targets, doing, I don't know, jumping my legs, all of this. Like I was just giving myself instructions of what I had to do instead of like, okay, obviously you get nervous, but I was just trying to yes, I said like play one foot at a time and do what I was planning from the beginning.
Samantala, para naman sa Filipino pride na si Yala, sinabi niyang marami siyang napulot na aral sa kanilang laban sa quarterfinals.
I think, of course, there were certain aspects of today that certain aspects of my game that just didn't show up today. I think there were certain things I really could have done better, but it doesn't have to be a big deal. I think I have some good things to take away as well from this week in general. But yeah, we take it in our stride and move on. And yeah, I just do my best to learn from what I can this match. Yeah.
Pagdating naman sa mainit na suportang natanggap sa kanyang home crowd,
It's so nice to feel the support, especially during a loss or during the tough moments in the match. I think it really makes cushions the blow. Yeah, and I think, playing in front of crowds like this that are passionate and that support you makes losses. It's a double-sided sword. I think, on one end it does cushion the blow because you know that they're there for you and they support. On the other hand, it hurts a little more and it's a little harder to accept because you want to do the best for them, but yeah, I think I gave it my all today and there were no regrets, so I'm happy about that.
nakatakdang lumipad ang Philippine Tennis Ace sa Sabado patungong Abu Dhabi upang lumahok sa kanyang susunod na torneo, ang WTA 500, bilang bahagi ng kanyang patuloy na pagangat sa international na entablado. Habang magpapatuloy naman ngayong araw ng Biyernes ang tapatan ng 4 na natitirang tennis players para sa semifinals ng Philippine Women's Open. Mula rito sa Rizal Memorial Complex, para sa MBC TV Network News, ito si Mili Borja ng DZRH TV, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.